The BBC's Andrew Marr told Nicola Sturgeon it would be the end of independence if the SNP's proposed Supreme Court case challenge crumbled, in a dire warning to the SNP leader. Nicola Sturgeon has warned that the fight for another vote on Scottish independence referendum could go as high as the Supreme Court. However, BBC's Andrew Marr has warned that if this court case crumbles, then it is game over for the SNP. He told the Scottish First Minister that a defeat in the Supreme Court would mark the end of the road for independence. Mr. Marr said, "Because you have said you won't have an illegal referendum, if you don't win that court case then it's game over, isn't it?" Ms. Sturgeon responded, "This whole debate is predicated on a situation where the UK government refuses to accept Scottish democracy. What that means is that the UK is no longer a union based on consent, no longer a voluntary union, that Scotland will be retained in that union by force of law. If that is the argument, we are going into unprecedented territory." Mr. Marr pointed to Judge David Hope, the former Deputy President of the Supreme Court, who said, "The SNP are trapped within a statute that is very carefully drafted." The BBC host went on to warn that if the SNP lost its court case for a referendum, you would then be at the end of the road, wouldn't you? The SNP leader responded, "If we get to that point, Scotland would be told it has no democratic route to become an independent country. The implications of that would be very grave. I don't think we will get there. That would be a very serious and undemocratic situation." Ms. Sturgeon added that it would be absurd and completely outrageous if the UK government went to court to block a second independence referendum. Earlier in the program, Michael Gove slammed Ms. Sturgeon's demands for a second independence referendum as he argued that Scottish voters oppose independence. The Cabinet Office minister said that Scottish constituencies voted against holding another referendum. The SNP fell one seat short of an overall majority in the Scottish Parliament elections, securing 64 seats. The final result still leaves Holyrood with a pro-independence majority. Referencing the SNP's desire for a second referendum, Mr. Gove added it was a slightly skewed set of priorities to imagine that that is the most important issue in the light of the pandemic recovery. SNP MP Carol Monaghan has called on Nicola Sturgeon to draw up a bill for a second independence referendum this year in wake of the results.